Jupiter has always been portrayed as a gas giant, a ball of clouds swirling in space. But what if that image is completely wrong? What if, behind its majestic appearance, it hides a secret that science is only now beginning to understand? Prepare to deconstruct everything you thought you knew about the largest planet in the solar system. The new discoveries not only challenge what we learned in school, they rewrite the rules of the game. Jupiter may be more than just a planet. It could be a failed star, a natural laboratory of exotic matter, or even a survivor of a cosmic collision. And the closer we get, the more it seems to elude comprehension. In this video, we'll explore how the first images opened doors to a mystery that has only grown over time. From a comet impact to a core that refuses to behave as it should, you'll understand why Jupiter is perhaps the greatest enigma in our solar system. And the most unsettling thing, we're only just beginning to decipher it. For a long time, we learned that Jupiter was a gas giant, made up mostly of clouds and storms. But this idea, repeated in textbooks, is being completely dismantled. Modern science has revealed that the planet hides an ocean of liquid hydrogen, and further down, a type of matter that only exists under extreme pressure: metallic hydrogen. This metallic hydrogen is not something we see around here. It's neither solid nor gaseous. It's a dense liquid, capable of conducting electricity like a metal. This only happens because Jupiter's gravity is so intense that it squeezes the atoms until their electrons are released. The result is a type of matter that we can only imagine, but which exists in abundance within the planet. This discovery changes everything. If Jupiter isn't just gas, then it's not what we thought. It has structure, depth, and an internal dynamic that challenges what we know about planets. It's as if we're looking at an alien world hidden behind a curtain of clouds. And the most curious thing, that curtain may only be the beginning of the mystery. When the Pioneer 11 and Voyager 1 probes approached Jupiter, what they recorded was breathtaking. Colorful streaks, colossal storms, and a constantly moving atmosphere. But despite the beauty, these images didn't reveal what scientists most wanted to know: what lay behind that curtain of dense, turbulent clouds. These early missions were like opening a door to a dark room. We saw the glow, but we didn't understand what was inside. The images raised more questions than answers. Jupiter seemed to be more than an ordinary planet. Its size, mass, and composition suggested something far more complex and possibly unprecedented in the solar system. The comparison to Earth is almost absurd. If our planet were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be a basketball. It is heavier than all the other planets combined. This has led scientists to wonder, is Jupiter a star that didn't quite work out? Or does it hold an even deeper secret about the formation of the universe? In July 1995, the universe gave us a unique opportunity. A comet collided with Jupiter right before our eyes. Shoemaker-Levy 9 broke into dozens of pieces before impact, and each fragment struck the planet with incredible force. The largest explosion released energy equivalent to 300 million atomic bombs, and for the first time, we were able to see Jupiter reacting. The Galileo probe, which was en route to the planet, was fortunate to be in the right place at the right time. It passed through the debris kicked up by the impact, and detected something unexpected: water, lots of water. This intrigued scientists. Why would there be so much water on a planet that, until then, was considered just a mass of gas and storms? This event changed everything. It was as if Jupiter had been forced to reveal a piece of its soul. Plumes of debris revealed inner layers we had never seen before. And what emerged was an even more mysterious planet, with a composition no one expected. From then on, the search for answers intensified, and a new mission began to be planned. When the Juno probe arrived at Jupiter in 2016, it not only confirmed what we suspected, it went further. The data showed that the visible clouds are only a surface layer. Below them lies a hidden world of electrical storms, ammonia hail, and pressures so intense that they transform gas into liquid and liquid into something even more bizarre. Juno revealed that the hydrogen inside Jupiter behaves in an unprecedented way. It transforms into a metallic liquid, capable of conducting electricity as if it were a gigantic wire. This invisible ocean is more than 20,000 kilometers deep. It is the largest ocean in the solar system, but made of a material that we cannot even touch here on Earth. And it doesn't stop there. The famous Great Red Spot, for example, is a storm so deep that it plunges hundreds of kilometers into the atmosphere. It absorbs ultraviolet light and reacts with chemical compounds, creating that blood-red hue. It's as if Jupiter were alive, pulsating with energy, hiding secrets that defy even modern physics. For decades, it was believed that Jupiter had a solid, compact core made of rock and metal. But data from the Juno mission revealed something unexpected. The core is diffuse, like a dense soup where materials are mixed, without a clear boundary between the center and the rest of the planet. This completely challenged traditional models. To explain this anomaly, a bold hypothesis has emerged. Perhaps in the early days of the solar system, Jupiter collided with a gigantic rocky planet, up to 10 times the mass of Earth. The impact would have scattered and diluted the original core, creating this unstable and chaotic structure. Simulations have shown that this is possible, but with a caveat. Even in simulations, the core should reorganize and solidify over time. But that didn't happen. Jupiter's core remains diffuse, and no one knows for sure why. It may be that all gas giants are like this, or that Jupiter is a cosmic exception. Whatever the case, it remains one of the greatest mysteries of the solar system. And perhaps the most important, Jupiter is not just a planet. It's a challenge to logic, a cosmic puzzle that seems to laugh at our attempts to understand it. Each new mission reveals more layers, more depth, more strangeness, and at the center of it all, a diffuse core that shouldn't exist, but is there, firm, defying physics. The question remains, what else are we getting wrong? If Jupiter, which is so close to us in astronomical terms, still holds so many secrets, imagine what might be hidden in even more distant worlds. Are we prepared to face the unknown? Or have we only scratched the surface of what the universe truly is? Now I want to know from you, is Jupiter just a planet, or is it something much bigger? Share your theory in the comments. And if this video made you question everything, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and leave a like. Here we don't just observe the universe, we delve into its deepest mysteries.